Mosquitoes are a huge issue, a global health issue, especially all around the world, especially in a lot of countries that lack medical facilities in order to treat mosquito-borne diseases. Mosquito-borne diseases kill over 1 million people every year, and that number is only increasing because mosquitoes are increasing in habitat as more regions become habitable due to global warming. In my project, I've invented different versions of mosquito larvicide. Now, larvicide is basically just a substance. In my case, it was essential oils encapsulated in yeast cells that basically kills mosquito larvae while they're still in their juvenile stages before they become adults that are able to fly around. And I found that the larvicide was very effective and comparable to commercial larvicide. It's obviously eco-friendly because it uses only biodegradable and natural ingredients. It was the first ever larvicide to be selectively toxic to bad mosquitoes, and it didn't kill good mosquitoes. And good mosquitoes are basically just mosquitoes that don't bite humans, and they don't need human blood in order to reproduce, but instead they eat other mosquitoes. So they're obviously very advantageous as a biocontrol method, and my larvicide is not toxic to those good mosquitoes. But when it comes to doing research projects, I think that a lot of times when I was younger, I had this preconceived notion in my mind that I was like, I'm only good at biology, or I'm only good at this particular topic. I'm only good at doing this. I'm not going to try to explore anything further. But then once I started thinking about, no, I want to help contribute and solve this global issue, or solve this, whether it's an energy issue, a sustainability issue, whatever the case may be, whatever issue you're looking at that you want to solve, commit yourself to solving that issue, and then look at how you can end up solving that. I went into it being I want to get results from this project. I want to, whether these results are that this larvicide doesn't work or this one does work, at the end of the day, that's what I'm here to test. The point is to advance our knowledge in this field. And once you stop attaching yourself to your results and whether you get good or bad results, then you can start thinking critically, and then you can start thinking about oh, this didn't work, but why did it not work? Let me stop and think about that a little bit more. The motivation for me was just exploring, seeing trying out different things, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work was just as equally important as seeing what does work. Commit yourself to contributing to a solution that you care about, and then worry about how you get there later.